The moment is here. We finally launched a new feature in EZ360, VR Sync. A feature that allows you to remotely start a VR experience from your web browser. How does it work? Easy.
First, you log in to the EZ360 portal and you will see the regular dashboard. But on the left side, you will see an extra tab, VR Sync. That's where it happens. So from here, you can remotely manage the playback of your VR devices. And I'm going to show you how that works, and Nick will show you what's happening inside the VR headset. So first of all, you need to select a playlist. And I'm gonna select this one for now. And the second step is that you select which video you want to play. So I can, for example, select this time-lapse one. And the next step will be that you select the VR devices that you want to start this video for. So for this demo account, we have a lot of devices connected. You can connect 5 devices, but also 50 or 100 or even more. I'm selecting this headset, which is Nick's headset, and you will see that it's currently not available because Nick didn't start the EZ360 app yet. So before I'm going to start the experience, Nick needs to open the EZ360 app. So it's already installed on this device. And Nick made sure that it is already paired to the demo account. You can use your own pairing code for pairing to your own account. Nick selected one of the two playlists. It doesn't matter which playlist you select, as long as you are in this screen. So this is the regular EZ360 screen where you can select select videos to play them. But I can now move him to the cinema by pressing the waiting screen button, which I'm doing now. And you see that immediately Nick is inside a really nice theater. This is our standard waiting screen. You can upload your own waiting screen in the settings section over here. When everybody is ready, you can press the play button. As you can see, the time-lapse video that I selected is now playing. And I have the ability to hit pause, to pause the experience. I can hit play again. And when I clicked on the stop video, all the headsets will return to the waiting screen. And you can select another video. So I can now select this one and hit that play button. How's life underwater?
It's awesome. See some turtles.
And when the experience ends, the people will also return to the waiting screen. And then you can select another video to play. Don't select the next video already, because if you do so, they will immediately return to the waiting screen. So be careful with that. And whenever the experience is over and you want to exit the VR Sync on all the devices, select all the devices that you want to exit it from and hit the exit button, and you will be back. So this is basically how it works. You can do this for many devices. You can also select 3 devices, hit play for this video, and then select 3 other devices and hit play for another video to organize 2 VR cinemas at the same time. And you can do this for as many devices as you like, and the content is still locally available on the headsets. So when I hit the play icon, I'm just sending out a signal to all these headsets. There's no streaming or anything going on, so you don't need a very decent bandwidth to be able to do this. You just need an internet connection to send the signal to all the devices, and all the devices will play the content on their own. And when I scroll down to Nick's headset, you will now see that it's ready and synchronized with the VR cinema. And for example, this headset is not, because the EZ360 app is not opened on this headset.
Thank you for watching our tutorial about VR Sync. Make sure to check it out at
EZ360.com. Bye bye.